Welcome to the Garden Club. One of the new features of our club is that we are going to exist part of the time online. Much of this year will be spent learning, brainstorming, collaborating, and planning for the future garden here at our school. Rather than having a folder with lots of papers that can get misplaced, we're going to store all of our information right here. Not only will that keep our information safe, but it will also allow you to become a larger voice in the planning project. This is Schoology. It is our site, and it has lots of great features. I'm going to walk you through them now and get you started so that you can log on and participate. First off, you need to create an account. We have a unique key that I will give you that's going to get you into your account. When you get to the Schoology page, you're going to choose student and then enter this key that I give you. It will help have you fill out some other information and then bring you to our site. You're not going to be able to do it quite yet because I haven't verified our account yet, which is why I'm not showing it to you. Once you've logged in, you're going to see a slightly different page than I'm showing you here, but the basics will be the same. Most of our work is going to be done in this Materials tab. Here's where we will have pages with information that I've gathered for you to look over, discussions where we're going to share our information, and files that we want to save. For example, you can see we have a folder for all sorts of resources. We also have, let me go back here. We also have a discussion. Our first task is to check out each of the discussions and add to it. You can see here that there's a place for you to reply to the discussion. Right here, see that? Please do that before our next meeting. That way we can get to know each other a little bit more before the next class. The next thing I want you to do is to see that I've added a video for you about permaculture. So we're going to go back to our discussions and click on What is Permaculture? As I said, we have a lot of learning, collaborating, and planning to do. One of the first things we're going to learn about is permaculture and how it can apply to our school. I want to know if you've heard of permaculture before and what you think it means to us. So watch the video and add a comment telling us what you know about permaculture, what you think it has to do with our club, and what else you want to know about it. Finally, I want you to remember that this space is yours too. If you find an article, video, or website that might be helpful, I want you to share it. You get to do that by clicking on the resources. Remember how I showed this before? You're going to be able to add materials. You can add links to things. You can add your thoughts about things that we need to consider when we're planning. And you can also add other resources. I'm really excited to see what we can accomplish this year together. So let's get started.